Hey Paul Mitchell friends, let us jump right into these 3 easy Valentine looks. Into our first look using my Paul Mitchell Express Ion XL curling iron and my Paul Mitchell hot off the press heat protectant. I'm going to distribute that into my hair evenly and sectioning off my hair. I then make sure I have no knots by brushing out my hair using my Paul Mitchell 413 sculpting brush. Now giving that strand of hair a little heat across and always making sure to curl away from your face. This is really important. I just love the way this curl makes my curls look so effortless. Like, look how bouncy and soft that is. Now just repeating this throughout, but also making sure to always curl away from your face. And here you have it, soft big curls that you can wear out for dinner or wherever that special moment is taking you. Now let us jump into the second look. I will be taking my bangs in front and tying the rest of my hair in a ponytail. Making sure that it's slicked back using my 413 sculpting brush and securing that with a hair tie. I then curl my bangs away from my face to give myself some nice framing and structure. I then always make sure to coat my teasing brush with hot off the press hairspray to lock those baby hairs in. Like, you don't want them to be all over the place. Look how easy and cute this was. Style number 2, a classy pony. I absolutely love this one. On to our final look, number 3. This one you'll just want to tie and twist your pony to create a fuller bun while still keeping your bangs in place and securing that with a hair tie. Style number 3, glam updo in seconds. I love this one. Hope you all enjoyed these fun and easy hairstyles, and happy Valentine's Day!